guys, Doggamer, and today we're playing Work at a Pizza Place, and this is the island where you sell things, and like right there where the cars are. You gotta swim. Come on, girl, go. We're on our way. Okay, I'm a horrible singer. Come on. Anita, come on, Duke. We got this, Duke. Come on. See, I'm broke. Like, bruh. And I got everything that I want to sell. Cause I need more moolah. I want to get the princess bed. Cause that thing has a tent at the bottom. Like, I know, I sound girlish, but bruh. These things freaking have a tent. And I have just realized that until now. Got there's Stan. I'm guessing his name's Stan. So, are we on break? We should be on swimmer, cause we're swimming to the ocean. And where I see a car headlights. And now, oh my god. Oh, come on, Duke. Look at that. We're here. Oh my gosh. Oh, this guy lives in a dump. Ugh. Woo. Poor man. This poor guy. Oh, he has a beard. Hello, do you have any friends you like to sell to me? I sure do. Bruh. Ooh, good. Just good money. This is some good money right here. Ooh, good money. I'm gonna sell this for some nice money. Ooh, oh wait, it didn't go through. So let's see if I have anything else. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, that's it. Thank you, sir. Thank you. What the frick? Why do you freaking have two beds? Okay. I ain't gonna judge. But why, dude? Like, the creator is dude or something. But why must you set to these prices? They're racist. These are racist prices. Hey, that rhymes. Racist prices. Just on the wrong. I wanted one of these. Music player. Music player. I wanted like a new floor or something. The Varnex floor. It's cute. So just to make sure I don't. Ooh, a Pearly Bear. A Pearly Bear. Ooh, modern. Ooh, girl. A pony. A pony. There's a pony. A little tiny pony. 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 Ooh. Let's get ourselves a nice TV. Why don't we do? But I want a polar bear. Yay, dude, we're freaking going overboard. We need a freaking couch. Or we're all gonna die. Ooh, that one. Guys, this is getting me a heart attack. I mean, look how beautiful these are. Even a turkey. Oh my god, the turkeys. I said the turkeys. My name's Turkey. Yo, massive discovery. Now let's reset character. good job, Doll Gamer. I mean, woo, girl, you succeeded. Succeeded. I ain't paying for no stupid pizza. Cause I ain't gonna eat no pizza. All I want to do right now. Do 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 do. You guys. Oh. Screw this, man. I mean, boy. Oh. Dude, this is gonna look so nice. It's gonna look freaking nice. It's nice. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video right here. Oh, wait. We need to, go to my house. It's the first house right here. So this is basically my house. I have like no furniture because what happens that? But before my battery dies, then you guys are gonna be so mad. Then you'll just blame me for everything. What the frick? Ooh, I got a fort for shorts. I'm stuck. Fort. Okay. So now all I want to do now is have my television placed down. Oh, I clicked 4 instead of R. So my polar bear is going to be. I want my polar bear outside. He's going to be my guardian bear. Well, hope you guys enjoy this video. Leave a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching. And